Hello everyone. We're going to make a very simple gnocchi with potato, flour, and just a dash of salt. The trick is to develop a gluten network in the flour that holds the gnocchi together without needing egg or other ingredients. So we're going to use the dome because it's the best tool for developing gluten. We start with boiled peeled potatoes in a bowl and sprinkle on some salt. It's good to cook the potatoes in water for gnocchi because the moisture will help. Then you chop and mash the potatoes with the blade of the dome and push out any lumps. Just work around in the bowl. So to add flour, we're going to add it in a ratio of 1/3 to 1/2 the volume of potato. So you can measure it out or you can just eyeball it. So here we have 1½ cups of potato. And since we like potato gnocchi that is more potatoey than doughy, we're going to use 1/3 the volume. So we're adding 1/2 cup of flour. And then use the dome to just push the ingredients together. And you just keep going until it's all thoroughly blended. So this will develop the gluten network. And the gnocchi will hold together without adding egg. And then it's good to rest the dough for 10 minutes or so to help that gluten formation. And then when it's ready, take sections of the dough, roll it into a ball, and then into a rope. Use a light touch, and take your time. You don't have to rush. And then cut it into pieces. You can determine which size you like. And now you can just boil these up right away as they are. But if you'd like to add a decorative touch, then you can use the dome to make decorative impressions in each gnocchi. You just use the blade part of the dome, roll it over each piece, and make decorative cuts. And then just finish the dough and cook them in boiling water until they float, or you can steam them in a sauce.